If you're into drones, you know they've come a very long way from the first generation, and back then, if you wanted to get a cinematic and smooth drone shot, it meant that you needed to carry bulky gear, learn the complex controls, and then eventually spending a few hours just so you can figure out the flight settings. But now there is a drone that makes pro-level shooting a whole lot more simpler, portable, and a whole lot of fun. This is the Potensic Atom 2. Welcome back to a new video, and if you're new to the channel, my name is Santi with the Tech Utopia team, and today I am here to introduce you into the Potensic Atom 2. Let's go ahead, get started. Meet the new Potensic Atom 2. It's lightweight, it's stabilized and smart, and now it's paired with a brand new controller, built-in screen, and you can fly confidently without relying on your phone. The Potensic Atom 2, it's a foldable 4K drone made for creators and travelers. It's compact, it's intuitive, and now it's more powerful than ever thanks to the new smart controller that it easily meets most people's needs for aerial photography. The Atom 2 captures a crisp 4K video with the 3-axis mechanical gimbal for buttery smooth shots. And you've got the vibrant color, deep detail, and up to 60 frames per second that is perfect for cinematic slow motion footage. Potensic upgraded transmission system delivers a 1080p live feed up to 10 kilometers away with zero lag. And that means a smoother control and a stable signal wherever you're flying, in open fields or in the city. Now each battery lasts up to 32 minutes, giving you plenty of time for long scenic shots or multiple takes. And the intelligent battery management system monitors the power in real time so you'll know exactly when to return home. And now elaborating more a little bit into my favorite feature, which is the new built-in screen controller. And this is the newest upgrade, Potensic's integrated HD screen controller, and no more joining your phone or struggling with the glare outdoors. And the controller's bright 5.5-inch display shows you the live video instantly, no extra cables needed. It's smooth, it's responsive, and is perfectly tuned for Atom's 2 transmission system. The Atom 2 features the smart flight modes and AI tracking, with the AI quick shots including the dolly zoom, the pull away, the rocket, the circle, the boomerang, the city roll, and you can set up the shots that used to require a crew. Its AI tracking includes the spotlight, the parallel and follow, and locks onto subjects even when you're running or riding a bike. The Atom 2 combines GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BeiDou for accurate positioning and automatic return home. It handles level 5 winds without drift and stays steady for long distance shots. Now I've been flying it around town in local parks around my house, and it's crazy how it feels. It's very easy to use. You just unfold it, turn on the controller, and then you're in the air within seconds. The new screen controller makes it so much simpler that you can just see every single detail in real time without touching your phone. The Potensic Atom 2 is all about the freedom, the 4K quality, the long-lasting battery life, the rock-solid transmission, and my favorite part is the smart controller that puts everything right in your hands. So whether you're a beginner or a creator looking for a lightweight cinematic tool, this drone gives you the professional results without the complexity. So if you're ready to upgrade your drone game with power and simplicity combined, you should definitely check out the Potensic Atom 2, especially with the brand new built-in screen controller that makes everything a whole lot more efficient and way more fun, because it's portable, it's smart, and is designed for storytellers that want to capture more with less effort. So that's it for me. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Check out the link in the description below for a nice discount and get yourself one of this Potensic Atom 2. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.